This is another very important sum. Find the 20th term from the last of the AP. This one is the AP. From the last we have to find. Suppose I write some numbers. 3, suppose 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, like that. And I want to find the first term from the third term from the first. And the third term from the last. See, third term from the last is 13. Is it? So when we take out the third term from the last, so we revise the series. From the last side we count first, second, third. So this is the first term. Is it? And that becomes third term. So we revise the series. So here also we what to do? To find out the 20 term from the last, from that end, we will revise the series. So before revising the series, so first of all, write that term now. Try to write this term. Here what is the gap? What is the gap? 5. So what is the number here? What the number will be? 240, 248. Because 5 gap. 5. So here 5 gap. So now you reverse. So rewrite the series. Rewrite the series from last. We get, what will get? 253, then 248, then 2, 3. Is it? Now you find out what is the first term here. Therefore, here the first term is A equal to 253. D will be 248 minus 253 will be minus 5. Is it? And then find the 10, 20 term. Therefore, A20 equal to what? A plus 19D. And then you complete it. 20 term you will get from the last. Means from that side we will get the 20 terms. Is it? Finish it. Okay, the next sum, the sum of the 4th and 8th term of an AP is 24. And sum of the 6th and 10th term is 44. Yes, I make that equation and after that you can finish it. The case 1 is that, case 1 is the sum of the 4th term and 8th term is 24. And the case 2 is what? Case 2 is what? Sum of the 6th term and 10th term, 6th term and 10th term is 44, 10th term. So 4th term is what? A plus 3D. And 8th term is what? A plus 7D equal to 24. So it's twice A plus 10D equal to 24. So cancel it. What will get? It will be A plus 5D equal to 12. Second is that 6th term and 10th term. So 6th term is what? It will be A plus 5D plus A plus 9D equal to 44. So it will be twice A plus 14D equal to 44. So A plus 7D equal to 22. Dividing by 2. Here also dividing by 2. After that, you solve this equation to get that D and A. And after getting the D and A, you get the AP. Is it A to power A? Then you plus the A. Suppose you get some A or something. Then plus the D. You get second term, third term, like that, dot. Is it? So complete it. Complete the sum. Next one is an word problem. The Subbarao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of rupees 5,000 and received an increment of rupees 200 each year. In which year did his income become 7,000? So what to do here? That salary is 5,000. That is A. That is here the A. Here the A is 5,000. This is the salary. Increment 200. This is the 200. It increases. So it becomes D 200. At the 7,000. At last this is 5,000. Next is 5,200. It becomes 7,000 in one at one time. So this is the AN, 7,000. After that, you break this one and find out the N. Is it N is the result? Is it? So it is AN equal to A plus N minus 1D equal to 7,000. And after that, in A is 5,000, N minus 1, D is 200 equal to 5,000. Then you find out the N. This is the year, in which year that after 14 years, after 13 years, that each salary becomes 7,000, you write. Find the N and write. The next sum, the Ramkali saved ₹5 in the first week. And increase her weekly saving by ₹1.75 in the nth week. If in nth week her weekly saving becomes that one, find N. It is also same with the previous sum. This save ₹5 at first. So this is A equal to 5. Increase is saving 1.75. D equal to 1.75. And at last it becomes, at last means AN equal to 20.75. Here also you find the N. Break it, A plus N minus 1D equal to 20.75. A is 5, N minus 1, D is 1.75 equal to 20.75. Is it? After that, 5 you take this side and do. When you take the 5 to that side, it will be what? It will be N minus 1 into 1.75 equal to 20.75 minus 5. It is N minus 1 into 1.75 equal to, how much it is? 15.75. 5 rupees subtracted. So it is N minus 1 equal to what? It is 15.75 by 1.75. So N minus 1 equal to, how much it will be? 1575, 175. Yes, you cancel it and find the N. What is the N here? Yes, cancel it with the 25. It will be, with the 25 it will be 7. With the 25, how much it will be? 1575 with the 25. It is 6 times 150, 75, 3 times. So 63. After that, it will be 9. So N equal to 10. Is it? So it N equal to 10 means in 10th week. 10th week. Therefore in 10th week. Is it? Her income, her saving become 20.75. 20.75. Is it? So this is the last sum. So you have finished that AP first, that exercise 5.2.